Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to review the Sony ZV-1F Vlog Camera, designed specifically for content creators and vloggers. If you're looking for a compact, high-quality camera to take your content to the next level, this one's definitely worth checking out. Let's dive right into it. Before we get started, make sure to check the link below for the best prices available today. First, let's talk about the image quality. The Sony ZV-1F features a 20.1 MP XMR sensor, delivering stunning image quality with vibrant colors, sharp detail, and excellent low-light performance. Whether you're filming indoors or outdoors, your videos will always look crisp and professional. The 4K video recording capability ensures that your footage is ultra-sharp and ready for any platform you want to share on, be it YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. One of the standout features is its flip-out touchscreen. This makes vlogging a breeze as you can easily see yourself while filming, ensuring you're always in the frame and perfectly focused. The camera also has a product showcase mode, which is fantastic for creators who often feature products. It automatically shifts focus between you and the product, creating a professional, seamless look. The built-in microphone on the Sony ZV-1F is another amazing feature. It captures clear, crisp audio even without needing an external mic, making it ideal for on-the-go shoots. However, if you're looking to step up your audio game, it also has a mic input for an external microphone, giving you the flexibility to get even better sound quality. What I really love about this camera is how user-friendly it is. Even if you're new to vlogging or content creation, the Sony ZV-1F is incredibly easy to use with intuitive settings and controls. The background defocus button lets you blur the background with one simple press, making your subject pop and creating a more professional-looking video. Additionally, this camera is designed with vloggers in mind. It's lightweight, compact, and easy to carry around. It also has a long-lasting battery, ensuring you won't run out of power during those extended filming sessions. If you're serious about creating high-quality content and want a camera that's portable, easy to use, and packed with features for vlogging and content creation, the Sony ZV-1F is definitely a top contender. Don't miss out. Check the link below to grab the Sony ZV-1F Vlog Camera for the best deal. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.